Today, Peppa and George are dancing in their room with the speaker turned up to the maximum. But then Daddy Pig walks in and turns the speaker off.
Aha!
With the music gone, Peppa and George head outside looking for something else to do. The grass in front of the house has grown taller than their necks. Yahoo! Peppa immediately runs over to a lawnmower nearby. She pulls the starter cord with all her strength. Her pushes the mower straight into the tall grass ahead. Row by row, the tall grass disappears, making the yard look bigger and bigger. Today, Peppa looks very happy as she skips into the house. Suddenly, a little music note floats right past Peppa. Whoa! In the corner of the room is a strange box covered with music note shapes. Yippee! Peppa gently opens the box to see what's inside. Suddenly, lots of colourful music notes float up into the air. Today, Daddy Pig takes Peppa and George outside to play under the sunny sky. Yahoo! While happily walking around the yard, Peppa suddenly spots a ball stuck on the roof. Daddy Pig walks over, picks up a little rock and throws it as hard as he can. Hooray! Daddy Pig quickly runs over and gives the ball a huge kick. The ball flies high into the sky and disappears far away. Today, Daddy Pig brings Peppa and George outside to play in front of the house. Woo-hoo-hoo! Whoa! Daddy Pig pulls out a very big carpet and spreads it across the yard. As Daddy Pig walks away, Peppa and George quickly sit on the carpet. Whoa! Wow! Suddenly, the carpet zooms away super fast. Peppa and George suddenly plop down onto the grass below. Peppa and George laugh loudly as the carpet spins through the wind. Hooray!
Huh? Ha! Huh?
Aha! Yahoo! Yippee! Today, Peppa is sitting outside, happily watching the clouds drift across the blue sky. George walks out of the house looking tired, his eyes half closed, as if he has just woken up. Aha! Suddenly, an umbrella slowly floats down from the sky, right in front of them. Peppa gently touches the umbrella's handle. At once, a gust of wind blows and the umbrella starts pulling Peppa forward. Today, it is raining very heavily and raindrops are falling everywhere. George stands by the window, looking outside, feeling disappointed because he can't play. Suddenly, the rain slowly stops. George happily runs outside right away. Peppa skips outside with a big smile on her face. George excitedly jumps splash into the puddle, sending water everywhere. Peppa laughs and quickly runs over. Splash! 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 Peppa keeps jumping in the puddle with George. Today, Peppa and George happily run outside to play under the clear blue sky. While playing, they suddenly spot a giant balloon resting on the grass. The two siblings walk around the balloon, carefully examining the strange object. Oh! Wow! Yahoo! Yahoo! Oh! Suddenly, the balloon gently shakes and starts growing even bigger. Huh? Oh! Yahoo! Peppa quickly grabs the string and happily runs around the yard. Today, Peppa's whole family decides to go shopping at the supermarket. Peppa and George are very excited and run quickly to the front of the house. Woo-hoo-hoo! Daddy Pig and Mummy Pig smile as they watch the two siblings having so much fun. On the way, Peppa and George giggle as the car passes a road lined with colourful flowers. Whoa! Peppa and George curiously look around and explore the aisles. Whoa! George walks past the fruit section and spots a huge watermelon. Meanwhile, Peppa becomes interested in a bright orange carrot.